Good health. It's something everyone desires, for reasons relating to general well-being to a reduced risk of illness and disease. When it comes to healthy eating, 8 out of 10 people are uncertain of which foods should be consumed or avoided. Whether you're looking for weight loss, renewed energy, or a more mindful approach to eating, here are 5 simple steps to start eating healthy. 1. Be smart when shopping for groceries. Fill your cart with fresh produce, whole grains, and healthy fats. They contain essential vitamins, nutrients, and minerals needed to help your body function. Add these items to your weekly grocery list. Almonds or almond butter. Sweet potatoes. Avocados. Greek yogurt. Broccoli. Apples. Blueberries. 2. Eat this, not that. Burgers, pizzas, and pasta can all be revamped without being bland. Here are a few smart substitutions for your favorite foods. Pizza loaded with veggies or made with a cauliflower crust. Turkey burgers topped with avocado and served on a whole grain bun. Frozen yogurt with fresh berries and nuts. Whole wheat, whole grain or quinoa pasta with an avocado pesto. Chicken or fish tacos wrapped in lettuce and topped with black beans. 3. Fuel up with fiber. Fiber helps you stay fuller, longer, making it a must-have when learning how to start eating healthier. It also provides a boost of energy for working out and promotes healthy bowel movements. Add these high-fiber foods to your diet. Rolled oats. Flax or chia seeds. Black beans. Brussels sprouts. Raspberries. Pistachios. Peas. Lentils. Artichokes. 4. Meal prep like a pro. Work demands and stressful schedules can wreak havoc on an otherwise healthy meal plan. Stepping out for a quick midday lunch can set you back thousands of calories. A burger, fries and a soda equals 1,200 plus calories. Avoid this by prepping healthy meals ahead of time. Portion control is key, with the right balance of veggies, fruit, and protein. 5. Start your day the right way. It's how you set the stage for the entire day. Scarfing down a donut with your morning coffee can lead you to make poor eating choices for the rest of the day. Boost your metabolism throughout the day with a protein-packed smoothie. Just add banana, blueberries, coconut milk, almond butter, chia seeds and spinach. Or go for an egg white omelet with fresh veggies, herbs, and feta cheese. Every morning, hydrate with a glass of water with lemon. You should be drinking at least 2 liters per day. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.